How to troubleshoot wireless network connection problems in Windows 11. If your wireless network is functioning normally, but your HP laptop is not connecting to the network, follow the steps in this video to troubleshoot potential issues. Note: after completing each step, try to connect to your network. If you still can't connect, proceed to the next step. Step 1. Check the wireless signal. Some HP laptops have a wireless key or button. This could be an image of an airplane or a wireless signal. Press the button once, wait 10 seconds, and then observe any change to the wireless connection icon in the notification area and to the LED light on the wireless button or key. If the wireless signal turns on, connect to the internet again. If the wireless signal is turned off, press the key or button again and then try to connect to the internet again. Step 2. Update hardware drivers. Use Device Manager to update hardware drivers such as the graphics, audio, wireless, or other drivers for your computer. In Windows 11, search for Device Manager in the application list and open it. In the list of devices in Device Manager, click the arrow next to the Network Adapters option to expand it. Right-click on the wireless adapter option, select Update Driver, and then follow the instructions to install the updated driver. Restart the computer to complete the installation of updates. Step 3. Run HPSA Network Diagnostics. Use Network Check in HP Support Assistant to perform network diagnostics for your computer. In Windows 11, search for and open HP Support Assistant. If the app is not installed on your computer, download the latest version from support.hp.com/help/HP-support-assistant. Select the Fix Your Network option under the Fixes and Diagnostics section of HPSA. If a window displays prompting you for an administrator password or confirmation, type the requested credentials. Click Next and then wait for the tool to complete. If the diagnostic test finds one or more issues, continue with these steps. Under Possible Root Causes, click the listed possible cause, select a recommended action, and then follow the instructions. After completing the recommended actions, click Recheck. Repeat these steps until the network connectivity issue is resolved or all possible root causes and repairs have been completed. Step 4. Run Windows Network and Internet Troubleshooter. Use the Windows Network and Internet Troubleshooter to test and repair the network connection. In Windows 11, search for Troubleshoot Settings and open. And then select Other Troubleshooters. Click the Run button next to Internet Connections and wait while Windows Network Diagnostic analyzes the network connection. If prompted, select the type of network problem and then follow the instructions to resolve the issue. Step 5. Reinstall wireless drivers. Use Device Manager to uninstall and then reinstall the wireless adapter. In Windows 11, search for the Device Manager and select it to open. In the list of devices in Device Manage, double-click Network Adapters. Right-click your wireless device and then select Uninstall Device. When the uninstalled device screen displays, select Delete the driver software for this device if it displays, and then click Uninstall. In the Device Manager window, select Network Adapters, select Action, and then select Scan for hardware changes. After the network adapter name displays, close Device Manager and then restart the computer. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.